Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited because one of my friends is an event manager. She invited me to her new event. It's gonna be held in a cozy house and I've been really looking forward to it. So today I'm about to head there. If you're interested like me, come along and don't miss watching this video. Before getting there, let me ask you something. What is an event? Why do people go to events?
An event is a planned occasion where people come together for a specific purpose. It can be for learning, business and networking, celebrating, cultural or political reasons, or just having fun.
For example, an event can be a workshop, a conference, a party, or a small gathering like this one. By scale, events can be small, like a family reunion, medium, like a local fair, or large, like an international festival. Alright, I've just arrived at the event. Let's go inside and see what's going on.
In the first booth, this talented girl designs the natural flowers in a stylish way. Her work brings out even more color and life in the flowers, and every arrangement looks truly stunning. At the next booth, you can see all kinds of handmade candles. They are colorful, fun, and full of different shapes and designs. This lady makes silver jewelry. She crafts the earring herself and some of them even have gemstones. Watching her work is really fascinating and each piece is unique. Look at this small street model. These toy cars are handmade. Each one has lots of details, making them look very realistic and special. In this booth, you can see a very creative handmade using autumn leaves. The artist puts them in a special solution to make them soft and strong, and then turns them into beautiful earrings you can wear. There is a very unusual booth. These mugs have designs showing parts of the male and female body. It's bold and definitely grabs your attention. In the courtyard, there are food booths offering different treats and special flavors. This booth sells natural honey and also makes lip balms from beeswax. Honey is very healthy, so I buy a jar. Wow, look at these colorful mochis, all homemade and super tasty. The next booth has cookies and cakes. Everything looks very tasty and fresh. This booth has traditional treats like fruit leather and naturally dried fruits. I taste one of them and it's very sour. After exploring this beautiful booth, it's the perfect time to take a break. A cup of hot tea with some traditional bread is just what you need.
And that's the end of today's adventure. We explored this cozy and beautiful house and discovered some amazing small businesses. I hope each of them finds success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. See you next time.